Design Studio. The Design Studio, NL Architects. This flexible workspace in NL Architects' office, as seen in the photograph, is one of the design workshops familiar to both architects and students. Equipped with drawing and model-making tools, the design workshop holds significant importance in both architectural education and practice. It serves as a production space where necessary tools for creating models and producing drawings, both by hand and in digital format, are available. In addition to tools for copying or printing drawings, there are also research materials, books, magazines, and catalogs for reference. The workshop has its own atmosphere. Ideas are explored, experienced, and tested here before they are implemented in the field. Collaborating colleagues refine their architectural proposals through constructive criticism while working in the workshop. I think we prefer to work in a workshop where everyone can discuss together rather than in an office environment. Everyone has their own place, their own desk, everything is open, and everyone can access what they need. Everyone contributes their ideas. I like being able to talk and listen to others.